This is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. To start, you will need to locate and open the Google Drive app on your tablet, which comes pre-installed with the system, or it should be at least. So launch the app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Then tap at the plus icon over here, or it can be at the bottom right corner of your display, depending at what orientation your system currently has. Should it be portrait or landscape modes? So be aware of that. So tap at the plus icon, whatever it is on your screen. Then go for the scan option next. Grant Drive app with the camera access. And once the camera interface gets launched, take whatever document you wanted to scan, here is mine for example, and take a good picture of the saved document. Try to make it so that it occupies the whole viewfinder space. So then, see the result. If you are satisfied, simply proceed. And then you will be sent to the following interface, which allows you to edit your scan. So as you can see, my original raw photo was not cropped correctly, so I will frame it the way I want it to be in the final PDF document that I'm about to create. Then I will also perhaps rotate it like that. In here you can also change the color mode, but I'll just leave it at black and white. And then just save the document. You can rename it if needed. As well as change the drive location and Google account that this particular file will be saved to. Then hit the save button one last time, wait for the document to get uploaded to your drive, and well, here you have it already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.